What's up guys, welcome back to Apple Refresh, and today I have a full review of two of the new Phone Rebel cases, the Gen 3 Rebel series and the Frosted series for the iPhone 13 Pro. I've been using them ever since the day that they came out, switching off every week, so I'm here to tell you everything about my experience. So I know I have been doing lots of Phone Rebel videos, but I do truly think it's a great company, and I'm always excited to see and test out the new things that they have to offer because it doesn't happen very often. So starting off with the black Gen 3 Rebel series, it's got really good build quality and feels very nice in your hand. It is slightly bulky, but for the amount of protection that you get, I personally think that it's definitely worth it. And if you want slim, then you can get the Flex series, which is the open side of the case. Now the carbon fiber Kevlar on the back is very soft and comfy in your hand. The only thing that I don't like about the carbon fiber is that it shows oil smudges and scratches very well, so I might recommend you a different style if that really bothers you. And the raised claw corners have made it so I haven't cracked my phone at all the entire time I've been using it. Even when I drop it almost every day, it really saves it from those face down drops that I don't see a lot of other cases have. And if they do have them, they're not as aggressive and good as these ones. Some would say that it's annoying and like adds a bunch more bulk and angles to the case, but personally I definitely think it's worth it. You're not even touching mostly on the corners that much, and it just completely protects the screen from scratches and everything when you set it down too. And also the MagSafe in this case is crazy strong, and honestly if it was any stronger I think it might make the experience even worse because it'd be so hard to get off. The magnets are supposed to be 30% stronger than Apple's OEM case magnets, and I can definitely see that. So that is a huge plus of the Rebel series because I'm pretty sure they're able to fit more stronger, bigger magnets in the case because it's not clear, so they can just cover everything up with the carbon fiber back. And so this case has a very futuristic design, and by futuristic design I mean all of the angles and the cutouts and just the overall shape of the case is very futuristic and I think pretty cool looking. The metal buttons on the sides are a great touch. They're very clicky. Good idea to add those. And supposedly I think they might be coming out with interchangeable metal buttons pretty soon, which would be sick. You'd be able to customize the case a bit, which would be pretty nice, but again, that is not out right now, so hopefully that does happen. So overall, it is a very well built and stylish case. I definitely recommend it to anybody who wants a black case, and it is honestly the most durability I have seen from a case this thin. Even if the case isn't that thin, I'm just saying it's either the same or more durable than something chunky like an OtterBox. But now onto the Gen 3 Frosted series. So it has the overall basic same shape and design as the Rebel series, and that's because they're both the Gen 3, just essentially different colors. And this is the first Frosted case that I've gotten, and I love the feel. The only thing is I felt like I got kind of tired of it over time. And the MagSafe in this case is definitely not as strong as the Rebel one, but it still works great, and it's reportedly the same strength as Apple's OEM clear cases. And I did have one flaw with the MagSafe, and that is the little bottom piece of the magnets that is straight and lines up any accessories with the magnets. Did fall out only like after 3 days of use when I took the phone out of the case. I did end up just gluing it back in place and it worked, but there is a slight adhesive problem there, or I just got really unlucky and got one that just didn't get glued right. And I wish that the clear frosted one has the inner shock absorbers like the Rebel, but unfortunately it does not because it wants to stay all completely clear, but it still did protect my phone really well. There's just that slightly more shock absorption and protection with the Rebel. So overall, the frosted one is great too, especially if you really want a clear case, and the frosted texture is a great change in style over the clear glossy cases. So overall, I think that's going to wrap up my review of the Rebel and Frosted Gen 3 cases from Phone Rebel. I'll leave links to both of them in the description if you want to go check them out. And if you did like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.